Good morning, everyone. This is Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy, and welcome to my kitchen. So one of my very first videos that I put together was on a lemon blueberry oat muffin. Delicious. If you haven't tried it, you might want to check that out. Today we're going to do a banana oat muffin with some variations. It's delicious, it's nutritious. So let me introduce my ingredients. I have 4 cups of the old-fashioned oats, and I have 2 scoops of the vanilla protein powder. You can use any protein powder that you want, as long as it's vanilla will work. I have some reduced fat milk. Again, you can use soy milk, almond milk, any other milk you would like to use. Some pure maple syrup. I use these little guys because I need 2 cups of applesauce. So it's easy to use, but also keep in a snack for during lunches or something. Cinnamon, vanilla extract, the egg whites, baking powder, and my variations are the chocolate chips and the walnuts. And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Again, you can use coconut butter, you can use almond butter, any other butter choice you'd like. And I need 2 cups mashed bananas. So let's get started and put it together. So the first thing I want to do is mash my bananas, which I did, and turn on my oven, which I have preheated it at 350 degrees. This makes 18 muffins, and with my variations that will be nice. So the first thing I want to do is take my 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, and I'm going to mix that with 2 scoops of the protein powder. This just adds protein to a muffin that doesn't normally has fiber, which is really nice, but it adds that protein too, and it's filling, which is nice. Okay, mix that all up really good till it's smooth. So now I'm going to add in all the rest of my my liquid ingredients. So I have 3/4 cup of egg whites, and the 1 cup of which is easy, you can just use 4 of these little snack guys. 1 cup of the applesauce, and you can use this is unsweetened applesauce. So you can cut a little bit more there as far as health-wise and not add a bunch of sugar. And I want 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. One cup of the milk. And the 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to whip this all together until it's nice and smooth. Gently, so it doesn't get all over the counter. Butter doesn't quite want to. All right, okay, so now we're gonna do our dry ingredients. We have 4 cups of the old-fashioned oats. It's different than the instant oats, so make sure you get the right ones. Okay, and we have a teaspoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of baking powder. We're just gonna mix that all together. We're gonna add our wet ingredients to the oats. Mix it up really good. I love oats in the morning. So the protein oat muffins are just such an awesome addition. Now I'm going to add in my banana. Okay, so now I've already sprayed my muffin liners. I'm just gonna move everything out of the way and show you the different variations that we're gonna do. So not everybody in my family likes walnuts, and everybody likes chocolate chips. So you really could do both, but we're gonna do just the variation. So I'm gonna fill them all first. Okay, so my variation is going to be that I'm adding some that are gonna have walnut, some that are gonna have chocolate chips, and some that won't. So this makes 18 of them. So I'm gonna do a little bit with some chocolate chips. You can stick them down in there if you want. This is probably one of the favorites. Okay, let's do some with some walnut. Some people really like the texture of having a nut in your muffin. And then I'm gonna leave 6 of them without anything, just the banana muffin. Let's add a couple more to this guy. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, our muffins are out of the oven and they smell and look delicious. So remember, we did just a banana oat protein muffin, and we have the banana oat and walnut, banana oat, and chocolate chip. And this is my breakfast. So I hope you enjoy it. It's very filling and nutritious. And if you do like it, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm at cooking_with_intention. I hope you have a fabulous day. And until next time, please be well.